the NOAA Living Marine Resources Cooperative Science Center. My name is Pauline Oschibu. I am the Center Director at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. The Living Marine Resources Center is funded through a cooperative agreement with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Educational Partnership Program with Minority Serving Institutions, otherwise known as NOAA EPP. Our mission is to prepare a diverse student body for careers in marine and fisheries sciences through education and research of the highest quality. Since 2001, we have been offering educational opportunities and financial support to excellent students in these fields.
My name is Tahira Johnson. I am a doctoral student here at UMES. I major in food and agricultural sciences. So my research project, I work with an emerging bacteria of concern called Schwannella, and I'm studying the abundance, the pathogenic potential, and antibiotic resistance profiles of it from oysters and seawater collected from the Chesapeake and Maryland coastal bays. If you don't know, Schwannella is a flesh-eating bacteria, and you can get infected with it either through eating raw sushi or seafood, or through recreational water activities like boating, fishing, and swimming.
Hi, my name is Halia Morris. I'm a graduating senior marine and environmental science major from Hampton University, and I am an undergraduate fellow with the LMRCSC. My research is looking at microRNA preservations for marine mammal skin samples, and the ultimate purpose of this project is to provide scientists with different methods of preserving microRNAs for future studies.
Hello, my name is Nyla McLean. I am a PhD student at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. My current research project is investigating the gut content of the blue crab, Calonectus sapidus, to determine presence and effects of secondary microplastics on the health of the blue crab.
My name is Juan Gordon Jr. I am an undergraduate junior LMRCSC fellow, and my research is based on the Gullah Geechee fisheries at Sapelo Island, on the people of Sapelo Island in Georgia.
My name is Ian Santos. I'm originally from Puerto Rico. I am a second year master's student from Hampton University, also a NOAA LMRCSC fellow. And my master's thesis, I am doing a genetic assessment on the Weddell seal, which is an Antarctic ice seal, trying to connect population dynamics with climate change and seeing the consequences of it in the Antarctic ecosystem.
The center is comprised of 7 institutions. University of Maryland Eastern Shore is the lead institution. Partner institutions include Delaware State University, Hampton University, Oregon State University, the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science at the University of Miami, Savannah State University, and the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science, Institute of Marine and Environmental Technology. Successful applicants to the Living Marine Resources Center receive a stipend and support for tuition. We also support student travel to conduct research activities and participate in professional meetings. And supported students are eligible to apply for research funds through our Center Research Grant Program. Center students have access to several courses taught at partner institutions. Center students are also required to participate in 2 unique features of the Living Marine Resources Center: the Cohort Experience Workshop and the NOAA Experiential Research and Training Opportunity, or NATO. All graduate students are required to complete a 12-week internship at a NOAA facility under the supervision and in collaboration with a NOAA scientist. Students who complete NATO become eligible for direct hire by NOAA after completing their degrees.
My name is Maya. I'm with the LMRCSC2 as an undergrad, and the work I did this summer was deploying BRUVs in Biscayne Bay to look at population dynamics. Being with the LMRCSC has been really valuable for me because I got the chance, and I'm still getting the chance, to gain more research experience and field experience within NOAA, which is where I want to work essentially.
I was able to complete a 12-week internship that was paid, as well as network with NOAA scientists and complete my academic research.
Something I got through LMRCSC that LMRCSC made easier to get was my internship at Oregon State this past summer, undergraduate student Savannah Clax, working with otoliths. It was an amazing experience, and it helped me really gain understanding for the marine field and what I want to do and gearing up for graduate school. It was awesome.
I used to be very shy, and my biggest worry was my NOAA internship, which I did it in California, which is very far away, and just meeting people. Networking is very important in our field, so it has helped me a lot in networking.
LMRCSC has helped me by supporting me through my whole collegiate journey since I was an undergrad to now in my PhD journey.
The LMRCSC has really helped me become a very sound scientist, and it's given me a lot of resources so that I can focus on my science, all while connecting with a wonderful, diverse community of scientists from all over the country.